Washington homeowners experience a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year: cool, wet winters, mild springs, warm summers, and crisp autumns. With constant seasonal transitions, your windows play a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort and protecting your home's long-term value. Among the many window styles available, casement windows stand out for their performance, efficiency, and timeless appeal. If you're considering an upgrade, here's how casement windows can contribute to lasting comfort and property value in Washington. Superior energy efficiency for year-round comfort. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward with a crank mechanism. When closed, they press tightly against the frame, creating a strong compression seal. This design offers a major advantage: reduced air leakage. In Washington's cooler months, tight seals help prevent cold drafts and heat loss. During warmer seasons, they limit unwanted heat infiltration. Modern casement windows often include double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas-filled panes, multi-chambered vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features work together to improve insulation and maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing strain on heating and cooling systems. For homeowners, that means greater comfort and potentially lower energy bills year after year. Excellent ventilation control. Washington's mild spring and summer days are perfect for natural ventilation. Casement windows open fully outward, allowing more airflow than many other window styles. Because they catch side breezes and direct air into the home, they are especially effective in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, upper story spaces. The ability to fully open the window provides better air circulation, which improves indoor air quality and reduces reliance on mechanical cooling during moderate weather. Protection against moisture and drafts. Washington's rainy climate requires windows that can resist water intrusion. Casement windows, when properly installed, provide tight seals that minimize gaps where moisture could enter. High-quality casement windows include durable weather-stripping slope sills for water drainage, secure locking mechanisms that reinforce the seal. These features help protect your home's interior walls and framing from moisture-related damage, contributing to long-term structural integrity. Increased home security. Casement windows are often considered one of the more secure window styles. Their hook-shaped locking systems are embedded within the frame, making them difficult to pry open from the outside. When closed and locked, the sash presses tightly against the frame, reinforcing both energy efficiency and security. For Washington homeowners, this added peace of mind enhances the overall value of the upgrade. Enhanced curb appeal. Beyond comfort and performance, casement windows offer a clean, refined appearance that complements a wide variety of architectural styles across Washington neighborhoods. Whether your home features craftsman details, contemporary design elements, traditional siding, and trim, casement windows provide sleek lines and large glass panels that enhance natural light and exterior aesthetics. Homes with updated, modern windows often stand out in the real estate market, increasing visual appeal and buyer interest. Low maintenance and long-term durability. Today's casement windows are built from durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass, which resist warping, cracking, and corrosion. These materials perform well in Washington's damp climate and require minimal upkeep. Tilt-in or easy access designs also make cleaning simpler, helping maintain clarity and performance over time. With proper installation and routine maintenance, casement windows can provide decades of reliable service. A smart investment for Washington homes. Upgrading to casement windows is more than a cosmetic improvement. It's a long-term investment in comfort, efficiency, and property value. By reducing air leaks, improving ventilation, enhancing security, and boosting curb appeal, casement windows deliver lasting benefits that homeowners can enjoy in every season. For Washington residents seeking a window style that performs as beautifully as it looks, casement windows offer a practical and valuable solution, one that supports both everyday comfort and long-term home value.